Hey guys, what's up? I just woke up and pretty much you can see how this crease here, it's not really folding too well. Usually the tail end would fold more firmly and the crease would be more well defined. So pretty much what I'm gonna do is so I first get some water, and then once I get some water and hydrate it, I'm gonna do a tracing method, and I'll show you what I mean. So I'm gonna wash them now, and first thing you should do before you do tracing is get some like lotion. So you have the lotion, put a bit on the eyelid. It's act as a lubricant because you're gonna be using an eyelid tool. For me, I have something like this, a tweezer. Pretty much you just go over the crease about 20 to 30 times. You can already tell that the crease is starting to be restored, because right now it's early in the morning, the skin's puffy, and I really didn't sleep too well last night. I also was drinking too, so my skin is like super dry. Make sure when you trace, you're always starting from the inner corner of the eye and you extend to the entire length of the crease. Okay, so now that the crease is sort of forming, you gotta hold the line. You can do something like this where you press the line, guide the skin to fold. Remember, this is if your crease is already there, but it's just that the morning you have puffy skin. Okay, just hold the crease with your fingers like this and do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can kind of tell that the crease is starting to form on its own. Okay, so I did my morning routine. My crease, it's getting there. So it's about like an hour I spent to allow like the swelling of the skin to settle down. But as you can see, it's getting a lot better. I'm still going to keep looking above eye level. It's very important. Each person has a different timing because it's all based on your body chemistry. I'll update you and see when I will stop doing this looking up eyelid crease exercise. Okay guys, so it's right now the afternoon and you can tell now the crease is folding more reliably. It's more well defined. I did have to do the holding the line a second time around, and pretty much now you can see the crease is just really reliable as how it was before.